Hello and welcome to the Queber channel. I am Jason, your host. I love Keychron keyboards, I really do. I've got quite a few of them. From the very small ones like this. I love the feel of them. I love the mechanical nature of them. And the way most of them will work wirelessly with everything from a Mac. It's got a button for the Mac, for an Android phones and tablets. It'll just work with anything, these will. And there's some of the nicest keyboards I've had. I have tried many different ones. Now, this is my primary keyboard that I use quite a bit. It's the Q6. It's a monster. It's about 2 kilograms. Feels like it's hefted from one piece of aluminium. I love this. I love the sound. It's just an amazing thing. Now, this keyboard is going to go downstairs after today to go connected to the framework down there. I need a full-size keyboard with the framework because I want access to all the function keys and everything like that. That doggy is beautiful. And so I was looking at other ones, and of course I was going to get a Keychron. And I noticed that Keychron have come out with a new keyboard. So let me show you the Keychron Q6 Hall effect magnetic keys switch. Basically what this means is each key can have multiple functions. As you push it down past each section, it can actually do multiple different things. So first things first, let's find a way into this damn thing. So Jason is just trying to find the way that we're supposed to told you I'm no good at this kind of there we are, unboxing. I mean, it's gorgeous, just the box is gorgeous. They never... I've got 6 Keychron keyboards now in total, spread around the house with different computers. It's my keyboard that I use everywhere in the house. The media PC in the living room, server in the kitchen. Okay, so get rid of all the foam and everything. Get rid of everything. If anything, I think this is heavier than the other one. Holy shit. Now I think this one's wireless as well. That's the one thing my other one isn't wireless. So this is going to be the new keyboard here. I love the feel of these keyboards. These keyboards are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, seriously, it is one of the nicest type of keyboards I've ever had. It can be Bluetooth, it can be USB, and I'll usually use them as USB anyway. So this is the last piece of the primary stuff. New mouse, new keyboard. The computer parts will come tomorrow and I'll put them together. I'll probably do a singular video about all the parts that come tomorrow and explain why I chose each part for building the system. Okay, sorry. I'm in love with these keyboards. I always have been. This is actually, yep, it's about exactly the same size as that one. So we put this over here. So you now know a lot of the stuff. I've got a few more bits and pieces coming tomorrow. My new bHaptic vest that has come for VR. The Vive trackers have come. I decided I wanted to go with the Vive Trackers 3.0, and I picked up 5 of those. Pretty much everything has arrived. Some new hoodies and t-shirts. This is all so that I'm in a much better position. So, I'm tired. I've been on the go all day, and a few things have happened that have worn me out a bit. Oh, yes. I'll say bye-bye for now.